Is baking soda really good for your kidneys? Maybe you've heard this. A teaspoon of baking soda every morning keeps your kidneys healthy. Sounds simple, right? But here's the truth. Baking soda can help, but only if you use it the right way. If you don't, it might do more harm than good, especially if you're over 60. In this series, I'm Uncle Jack, and I'll explain everything in plain English. What baking soda is, when to take it, when not to take it, and how to keep your kidneys strong without needing a teaspoon of anything. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice and should not be used to diagnose or treat any health condition. Always talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, supplements, or lifestyle, especially if you have a medical condition or take medication. Uncle Jack shares ideas based on natural biology, science, and ancestral living, not prescriptions. You are responsible for your own health choices. What is baking soda, really? Baking soda is a type of salt. Its scientific name is sodium bicarbonate. It helps balance acid levels in your body. That's why doctors sometimes use it in hospitals for patients with kidney disease. But that's in a controlled setting, with blood tests and careful monitoring. That's not the same as drinking baking soda every morning, because someone on Facebook said it's healthy. Baking soda can help in certain situations, but it's not made for daily use by everyone. When can baking soda be harmful? Here's what most people don't know. Baking soda is not something you should take like a daily vitamin. If you have any of the following issues, baking soda may actually make things worse: high blood pressure, a salty diet, swelling or fluid retention, heart problems, you're taking water pills, diuretics, you're often stressed or sleep poorly. Taking too much baking soda can lead to bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort, digestive issues, imbalanced minerals in your blood. And it may stress your kidneys even more. So yes, it can be harmful if used the wrong way. Your kidneys are more than a filter. People think kidneys are just filters, that they clean your blood and make pee. But that's only part of the story. Your kidneys are smart. They work best when your body is in sync with nature, with sunlight, sleep, clean water, and natural movement. But if you live mostly indoors, don't get sunlight, sleep poorly, eat processed food, stare at screens all day and all night, your kidneys don't get to rest, and baking soda won't fix that. How you live affects your kidneys more than what you take. How to use baking soda safely. If you choose to, okay, so what if you still want to try baking soda? Then do it the safe way. Here's how. Use just 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, aluminum-free if possible. Mix with a full glass of clean mineral water, like spring water. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Only once or twice a week, not daily. Never drink it after meals. If you have high blood pressure, swelling, or heart issues, talk to your doctor first. 5 things that actually keep your kidneys healthy. You don't need pills or powders to protect your kidneys. You just need the right habits. Here are 5 things you can do today that work better than baking soda. 1. Get some morning sunlight. Step outside for 20 to 30 minutes each morning. Don't wear sunglasses. Let the light hit your eyes. No staring at the sun. This helps your body wake up and your kidneys function on the right schedule. 2. Drink real water. Not tap water, not purified distilled water. Choose natural spring water with minerals. This helps blood flow better and reduces stress on your kidneys. 3. Sleep well and shut off the Wi-Fi. Put your phone on airplane mode at night. Turn off your Wi-Fi router. Sleep in a dark room. This gives your kidneys time to rest and repair overnight. 4. Walk barefoot on grass or ground. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day. It helps calm the body, reduce stress, and improve circulation. 5. Eat simply and eat early. Avoid eating after 7 p.m. Focus on whole foods, eggs, fish, vegetables. Limit packaged, salty, or sugary foods. This gives your kidneys a break after dinner. Final message: the choice is yours. So, is baking soda helpful? Yes, in the right dose, for the right person, at the right time. No, if you're using it to cover up a poor lifestyle. Want strong kidneys? Don't just drink something. Live better, get outside, drink clean water, sleep early, move your body. And only then, maybe, use a little baking soda if needed. I'm Raymond Light, and I believe this. Your body knows how to heal. You just have to stop getting in the way. Thanks for listening. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more doctor-backed tips to keep your health on track. Share this with someone over 60 who needs real answers, not just another supplement ad.